Alright, with the high locks as well as lock bolts, you have to check link with the grip gauge again. I've already stuck it in the previous video and found out that my link should be 3/16 of an inch. One thing you'll notice with high locks and lock bolts is they have a lip up under the head, which we have to account for. We commonly call this fillet relief. You can simply accomplish this by deburring the front side slightly. You don't want to go to the point where you countersink, but just enough to allow for a little lip up under the head. Because this is an interference fit fastener, this means that the fastener is larger than the fastener hole. You have to apply pressure, sometimes by tapping by force on a hammer, to actually install it. If I try to push it in with my hand, you'll notice that it will only go so far. What I'm going to do is back up my metal by simply using the vise. And I'm actually going to take the hammer and apply a small amount of force. And you'll notice it actually starts to pull the actual high lock down. Now, a properly installed high lock will actually pull down with the collar itself. For example, I turn it around to the back. I'm going to put the collar on with the portion that has the hex head facing me away from it, like so. And I'm simply going to screw it down hand tight. Once it gets hand tight, I have to use a ratchet, socket, and an Allen wrench. Now you'll notice this ratchet and socket actually has a hole in it where the Allen wrench goes in. What I'm going to do, put it on, insert the Allen wrench inside of it, excuse me, and simply tighten down. The purpose of the Allen wrench keeps the high lock or the lock bolt from spinning, in this case high lock. When I get to a correct amount of torque, the hex head portion of the collar actually breaks off like you see here. Ideally you want 1 to 3 threads showing. That's good.